What's up? What's up? What's up? We're back for another intense programming session. So before lunch, where did we get to? I believe what we got to, we had our smart contract in Remix. And we had just created the functionality to create a battle, join a battle, and then the update battle and shit like that. So now that we can create and join a battle, so what does that allow us to do? If we have the UI open, we're going to have a create battle button. That'll create a battle, someone can join a battle, and then that would change the status on the battle for waiting for host. All right, let's try that for now. Let's just, I suppose now we can try and actually just deploy this locally. Because we have only done this on Remix so far. Where's Michelle? Where's Michelle? Make that a bit bigger. Crypto client city. Truffle develop. It's a little bit small on the stream, I think. All right, let's do compile. Get our smart contract compiled so that we can actually use it in our app. It's got that stupid compile bug again where it's not actually picking up the inherited contracts. There we go. Much better. Oh, pardon me. Oh, I'm fucking tired, boys. Let's do migrate. And let's type it in correctly. Get our smart contracts deployed to the old local blockchain. Come on. This is why I like using Remix, because Remix is good for quick and dirty testing. This takes ages. Hopefully we don't see an error because we haven't tested this contract yet. Please just deploy the first go. Nice. Fuck yes, boys. All right, let's start up the old app. npm start. Jump over to the browser. Where the fuck's the browser gone? Oh, pardon me. Come on. Come on. It's asking me to log into MetaMask. Connecting to, yeah. It's kind of really handy that it doesn't show that on stream. So no one can take all my monies. Oh, pardon me. All right. Let's have a quick look at the contracts. Official crypto trading cards. Methods. Do we see our new methods there? Get battle, but we do. Cool. So that's good. Collection. There's obviously no cards minted in our name yet. Mint. So let's mint some. Assuming we don't need to reset our wallet. Yeah, it looks like we have to reset our wallet. Yeah, got that nonce error. So give me a sec. Settings, advanced, reset account, reset. And we'll bank the old refresh. Let's do that again. Oh my god, I've got such bad yawns. Is anyone else yawning? I'm sorry if I've made you yawn. Hey, we've minted some cards. So if I go to collection, boom. 5 freshly minted cards. So now, we need to make a battle page. So let's jump onto the old code. So in the header, we'll use our real basic nav that we've made. Just battle. Should we call it Battle Dome? Like its actual name? Battle Dome? Looks kind of lame. Let's just leave it as battle. We need to make a new constant to navigate to. Where the fuck is the constant at? Constants. Why does everything start with C? Constants. There we go. Battle. And we wanted to make that take us to the battle component. Header, card collection. So we'll call this Battle Dome. BattleDome.jsx. Export const. And if you're new here, we are following an anti-pattern at the moment. Just because we're just trying to bang something really shit out at the moment. So usually you wouldn't have your folders named the same name as your components, like, because it's just like there's no point in having that level of nesting for the same name. But we're going to worry about that later. So let's export const battle dome. It's going to take props, and it's going to return a div battle dome for now, just so we can make sure it's working. Going to import our styles. And we're going to add it to our... Oh, pardon me. Sorry, I can't help it. I'm yawning so much. Add it to our navigation. 2.3 nav dot battle. And the battle dome. Oh, we probably also want to chuck in, give it access to Drizzle, which is our essentially API to the blockchain, and then Drizzle state, which is going to keep track of our blockchain transactions. What else? Battle Dome. Did we add a background to the mint? We didn't. Space around. I should probably add the same background. What do we have for store? BG1. Okay, card collection. Do we have the background in a certain order? Okay, after the flex, we specify background. BG1. And we'll also do that for Battle Dome. Class name equals BG1. should be enough. So if I click on battle, bang, battle dome. Mint collection battle. Should battle be second? I feel like collection should be the far right. I'm going to change that. Which means maybe battle should be first. Mint. No, we'll do mint. We'll leave mint first. Mint battle collection. Fuck, I just love how quick and dirty React is. Alright. So what are we going to do for the battle? We want to have a list of battles, and we also want to have... What do we also want to do? A list of battles. What does mint have? Mint. Battle. How should we display this, do you reckon? Should we have a quick look at the PowerPoint? Yeah, I think we might do that. Let me just open that up. Here's one I have prepared earlier. Oh, sorry. My challenges, current battles, my cards. Create challenge, browse challenges, watch battles. Direction. So what am I looking for? My battles. Card, opponent. Card, opponent. Alright, let's look at the pinned tweet then. See what that says. Crypto. Official crypto. Official crypto. Crypto trading cards. How is that not a thing? Man, I'm sure I would have retweeted it. What am I doing? Profile. Official crypto cards. Okay, this is the pinned tweet. Oh my god, I forgot that that's how fucking... I forgot that that's how in-depth it was going to be. Well, we're nowhere near that. Fuck, alright. So how do we need to break this UI up? Another nav? If anyone has any ideas, I'm just going to sit here and think about this for a second. All right, maybe. Maybe we have a sticky footer. That's specifically part of the battle dome. That can be like create battle. My battles create battle. Master detail layout designs. Let's look for some inspiration. Web layout designs. What's a good design? What about crud? Here we go. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, so it's just taking me to a page full of other pages. Show me a bigger picture. What if I just had a button that said create battle at the top? Would that be so bad? All right, we're going to do it this way. We're going to do div. We're going to do, actually no, we're going to do it this way. Export const actions. Actions equals props. I'm going to probably delete this in about 4 seconds when I realize I've done this wrong. But for now, this is going to be okay. Create battle. Export const list battles. No, battle my battles. Wait, my battles or all battles? Oh, we'll add a filter. Battles. Props. Wait. List battles. Battle list? Alright, fuck. Battle list. That's going to return a div. Not a capital D though. Battle 1. Wait, that'll be another div as well. Battle 1. Battle 2, Battle 3, Battle 4, Battle 5. Oh, go on. Who's this?
There, mate.
Ah, Davey boy. What's going on, mate?
Not much. Just well, it was 10-minute break. Now it's 8.
Oh, nice. What are you doing today?
The training.
Still. Oh, I mean, like, as in, like, what sort of shit are you looking at in training?
Looking at safety integrity levels. Pretty much this whole course is on functional safety of like control systems. So pretty much like how you calculate what kind of obviously there's like huge market for different safety managers and like obviously Honeywell has their own safety managers and stuff. But there's like lots of third party different things in the market. So, and they all come with different ratings. Like, they've all been certified at different standards. So it's about determining what kind of risks you have, what kind of safeguards you need to put in place, how to calculate that, bit of maths, bit of probability.
Ooh, bit of maths, bit of probability. Mate, all the classic corporate corporate needs.
Yeah. No, it's good though. It's pretty interesting, like knowing where it all comes from.
Fuck yeah.
We're looking at some standards.
I feel like judging by your voice, it's actually okay.
Yeah. No, it's good.
Sick. That's good as. That's a win.
I'm getting a tiny bit sick of it though, because it is day 3 out of 4. But
yeah, you've been doing
yeah,
so
like
much
everything that
training.
I've seen so far is like, makes sense.
Yeah.
Checks out.
Fuck yeah. Dude, I haven't played enough video games in like the last week. I haven't played Overwatch.
Hey, mate, you've been doing streaming stuff. That's good.
Yeah, but I was lying in bed. I went to bed pretty early, and I was like, "Fuck! I really want to just get up and go play video games." But do you know Resident Evil? Like, have you ever played the early ones, like 1, 2, and 3?
I don't really know them by number, but definitely played one with Tim that was scary as hell.
Yeah, it's like they've remastered them all because they used to be on like PlayStation 1.
Yeah.
I just have this urge to buy it, like number 1, and play it. It's like, yeah, but I just shouldn't because I just keep buying games, and I'm probably going to make myself go broke again if I do that.
No, I'm happy with the selection that's going at the moment. F1, Overwatch, bit of... Oh, we do have to play that Ghost one you were talking about though. That sounds kind of fun.
Oh yeah, Phasmophobia. That'd be fucking sick. I forgot about that. Yeah, see, there's just too many games.
Yeah, I mean, I'm definitely not going to buy Call of Duty. That's just a terrible
Can't do it.
value proposition.
Can't do it. As much as I want.
I only played Warzone because it was free.
Oh, fucking true.
But then after they introduced all of the other, or like, I mean, it's still free, isn't it? But everything else after that.
Is the new Warzone free? Like, because Call of Duty Vanguard would have a Warzone, surely.
Oh, probably, but you might have to pay for it. I don't know.
Yeah, I have no idea. Fuck it.
But yeah, Tim said he played a bit of it. Oh yeah, and Rocket League. That's what I got going at the moment, pretty much.
Yeah, you guys always have Rocket League.
The 3.
It's like the one that just makes it through the test of time is Rocket League.
I mean, free to play is just, I get so much more value. If you think about it, if you didn't pay anything for it, that's actually infinite value.
Yeah. Yeah, it's no divider. You can't divide by 0.
Infinity value.
No, you've been doing too much probability.
Nah, it's good. I reckon. Yeah, because you don't have to worry about. Oh, I mean, we paid for Diablo, but I expect returns from that when I eventually get around to having more time.
I tell you what the great thing is. Did you miss the part of Diablo where their servers were just fucked and you couldn't even play it?
No, I didn't know that.
Yeah, it was like that's why I stopped playing it, because you'd go to log on and you have to sit in a queue because they couldn't fix the problem, so they just chucked in a manual limit to how many people could play at one time, and so you'd sit in a queue until it went back down to 0. And I was just like, "Fuck this! I paid money for this." Like,
that's terrible.
Yeah.
What are they doing with the money?
I don't know. Just fucking buying wine and living the high life. But it's gone now. Thank fuck.
No, I'm so on Overwatch at the moment.
Yeah, Overwatch is fucking sick.
I played a few games this morning.
I was so unbelievably tempted to join you.
That's only because I got time to kill. You should definitely do your stream and do work instead
Yeah. It's good. I feel like I'm doing way more hours than I would have been doing. Like I'm motivated to work more than I was ever
because
before.
of the stream.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
It's like a little bit
I
of
see you've got some other comments as well.
yeah, some random people joining in every now and then. It's pretty weird because you look at the stats of the stream and then there ends up being like 10 unique viewers. Like and you can see like how long they've viewed for and you're like, oh, it's so random. You just come in and watch a stream and then leave.
Yeah, well, it
so
says
weird.
there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 users in chat. So
No,
there you
no.
go. I don't know.
Oh yeah, this is the whole fucking. I mean, you can't tell live like who's actually in there, but
Oh
I
yeah,
don't
and
even
so
think.
that just means overall, like overall time or something. I don't know.
Actually, no. This has definitely changed since I started because you weren't. Yeah, interesting. Well, I guess I'll find
And
out
also
when
because
you
that
leave.
person, who was it, Lovely Mellow, isn't in that list, so I don't really understand how it works.
Yeah, mate. Maybe one day I'll learn and then pass on my wisdom.
Thank you.
I know you're dying to know. Making good progress on the app though, which is good.
That's good.
I'm seeing James Bond tonight, which I'm excited about.
Oh hell yeah, it's a good time. Oh, so funny as when we're playing volleyball yesterday,
Oh yeah,
because I thought everyone in the team they had seen it the week earlier than I had, and then we were just like kind of chatting in between games, and then we're like, "Oh, have you seen it?" And we all established this. Oh yeah, we have seen it, so we can talk about it. And then I just fully talked about the ending, and then it turns out that one of the blokes hadn't seen it, and I was just like, "Oh, what the fuck." Like, why would you not speak up sooner?
Oh, was he sad? Was he like, oh, you motherfucker?
No, I think he's too timid to admit that it hurt him. But we were all laughing about it. I was just like, oh, well, you don't have to go see it now. And I was like, if I were you, I would have been hurt, so I apologize.
It's funny as fuck. It's too timid to say anything.
Yeah. Oh, it's Freya's boyfriend.
Well, that's so strange. Yeah, no, I know Freya. She's
Yeah.
that tall chick, and it seems weird that she would have a timid boyfriend because she's huge. In the nicest spot, like not in a mean way, but like she's tall as, isn't she?
Yeah, well, timid isn't short, mate. What are you
No,
talking
I
about?
was just imagining like.
I was like, do you understand what timid means?
No, I mean if she's like tall, I'd be like, I feel like if you're timid, you'd be too scared of her because she's so tall.
I see what you're getting at now. All right, good to chat. I have to jump back in because my 10-minute break is over.
All right,
enjoy the
mate.
stream.
We'll talk later. Alrighty. Where were we before Dave rudely interrupted battle? Okay. Oh, I'm not rendering anything in battle, so that's gonna definitely not work. All right. Let's do actions, and then also battle list, and see what that looks like. Yeah. So we want the. Maybe we want this to take up some weird sort of amount of space. Potential. Let's do toolbar height rest and then fill width. So let's just double check that that's actually filling the width. Yep, cool. We want this to be flex column and space around center. Yeah, that works for me. And then we can give let's give these Actually, how do we do it in the store? Do we just hard code in the size? Not the size, sorry. The height? Ah, there we go, style, height. Yeah, let's do that again. That was kind of a real easy, gross way to do things. Style, height, HIGHT, 33%. And then let's do, not class, fuck, sorry. Style, height, 66%. Yeah, that's all right. That's how we want the page divided a little bit. So this big chunk at the top for your actions. It could even be less, to be honest. Because what do we want it to do? We want to be able to create battle, new battle. Let's make that way smaller. Let's actually just make that. Let's make that 10% and the rest 90. Yeah, fuck it. That'll do. Okay, and then maybe we can have. Maybe we'll have a sub navigation so that we'll have create battle and then also all battles. Actually, no, create battle should go to a new page. I think. It's so tricky to think about. Let's make it look at least nice. Class name, we'll do flex center. Nice, that's good. And for the list, just trying to remember my hotkeys. Class name. We want we want it to be a vertical list, so flex column start center I think is the prop that we want. I mean, is the class name we want. Let's just have a little check. Start center. Yeah, so that'll be flex start along the main. Well, I can't talk. Along the main axis. And then what if I add pad me? No, we want that for each item. Probably should also add a section for, so we got card start, card and button start. Got a typo there. I don't usually have these like comments in the CSS, but just because this is, I'm aware that I'm rushing this and doing this like a shit way. So I'm just trying to leave some, just to make it a little bit more legible for future when I come back and refactor it. But the point of this is to just punch out as much of this functionality as possible and prove that I can get it to work. Which isn't a good approach. Like, I know this bites you in the ass later on, but I just, because it's a completely new tech stack, I kind of find it a bit easier to work this way. versus like writing much more, much higher quality code and then having less to refactor later. Anyway, so let's do battle start, battle end, battle tile, battle item. Let's call it battle item. Height, and we'll just give it a fixed height of 300 pixels. Just because it will help us. I'm going to keep this open as well. And let's also just split this out. Export const battle item equals props. Return div. Let's do const title equals props. Title, class name. Oh shit, that's not what I want. Class name is going to be battle item. And title equals battle 1. Can't wait to see how fucked this looks in the end. Give ourselves enough to differentiate between. Battle. Also, maybe we'll add pad me because it's just gross without padding. That's a bit better. Okay, cool. And then, as we learnt yesterday on stream, if I just chuck on the old scroll parent, that's pretty fucking gross. But there could be a shit ton of battles, so we need to get this right. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I could just map through some arbitrary array, but... Oh, let's also just do width 100%. How about that? That might help it not look so fucked. Nope. What's the container doing? So we got the battle list, flex center, center. We want to do fill height, fill width. Oh, actually, that might fuck it up, but we'll see. I'll leave out fill height because I'm specifying the width. The height anyway. Battle. Flex center. Well, as we can see, the height is definitely not. .300 pixels. It's getting overridden by... It could be it's getting overridden by this flex property. That does fix it. Probably, do we want that? like that. Just looking at the existing code for the store. Actually, sorry, we want to look at card collection. My bad. Flex. It's got fill width. Maybe I can do fill height, and that will be okay. Nope. Absolutely not. Flex center. So that's not what we want. What if I just have flex? Does that change it? Then it goes across. Okay, what about flex center now? No. Interesting that there's overflow. Oh, it's the padding. Okay. So what I was looking at, but I just realized I wasn't showing you, is I've got this scroll bar on the bottom here, and it's because I'm adding padding left and right to all these items. This is disgusting. What if I add a margin to everything? Margin 20 pixels? Do I care? Do I care about it looking like this? Is the real question. What happens if I go to like mobile view? Does that look just horrendous? I don't hate it. I do hate that there is still so much scrolling. And I do have this problem almost every time. Let's have a look. Flex center, space around center. Table height rest. Sorry, toolbar height rest, and then fill width. Background 1. And then we're rendering actions and battle list. Height 10%, height 90%. Fill width. That should be doing 100% of the parents. Let's get rid of pad me. You can get fucked. Battle. Oh, now they've all got margins, so let's get rid of the margin. Okay, so that's got that. Should we just use WebKit and get rid of the toolbar? I think it's WebKit. How many people have done this before? Every person ever. Hide scroll bar from Chrome, Safari, and Opera. Hides example. Alright, let's do... this is probably I'm going to just put this in the behavior styles because that's how I want probably want it to be with the scroll parent. Hide toolbar. Hide scroll bar, sorry. Fuck. Hide scroll. Did I just lose my link? Come back. Come back. Oh, pardon me. WebKit scroll bar display none, and then hide scroll MS overflow style. Looks like it's deprecated, but we're still going to do it. All right, so chuck this in our hide scroll. I mean, that does look nicer, but it's... We need to give that a different background because that's just triggering me at the top. BG2. Color's that. BG3. If anyone's in the chat, is it illegal to leave that green? I just want to know. Is it illegal to leave the create battle button green? I'll wait. Couple Snapchats. Okay. Distracted, but I'm back. We're going to add... Let's just quickly suss out box sizing. If I want to push something inside, it's padding. So I mean, it shouldn't give me a scroll bar if I add padding. What if we give it 90% width? Battle item, 90% width. Pad me. Yeah. I can handle that. I can deal with that. Kind of. Let's just make it sit in the middle though. So that would be flex container, and each of them are centered on the. Oh, that's gonna fuck the scrolling up, won't it? It did. What if I did min height? That works. I gave it a minimum height. Did I just solve the problem of to fucking fix this bullshit? And then we want to do center. No. Hang on, battle list needs to be start center. I don't know if that's going to be what I want. Oh, okay, there we go. Yeah. So it's centered them. And what happens if I only have one item? Yeah, perfect. I'm happy with that. All we did was give the minimum height. So that means each item will be a minimum 300 pixels. Maybe we should make that... Oh no, that's alright. Fuck it. For now, that's alright anyway. Yeah, we'll make it smaller though, because that's a lot of battles. 100 pixels per battle. 200, just make it a little bit more. This is what we're working with currently. You can't really see on the left-hand side of the screen. I should probably put my camera top right. Or change my resolution. But I don't think anyone's complaining, so that's probably fine. I'll be right back. I'm going to take a quick piss. Back. So just to remind everybody, this looks shit because we haven't put any effort into making it look good yet. We're still fucking around with the smart contract logic. So, what are we gonna do next? We've got the create battle button. So create battle. Oh, there's an ant on my wall. Where are the ants coming from? This house is so whack. F in the chat for the ant that just died. We want the create battle. All right, so we're gonna do a sub navigation. We're gonna do clicking create battle. Will create a whole new page. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. Yeah. So let's go back to our constants and let's do export const battle dome nav. I wonder if I'm going to want to change this. Create, and then list battles. No, let's just leave it as list because it's kind of obvious you're already in the battles section. So create and list battle dome. So here we will do we're going to need to import some hooks. Import use state from React. And we're going to want to do const navigation set navigation equals use state null, because that's what we're going to do. Oh, actually no, dickhead, we're going to actually do import battle dome nav from constants. We'll set this as battle dome nav dot list. So navigation, not nav, navigation, fucking hell, 1 2 3 equals battle dome nav dot list, and the component we want to render, which will be battle list. We don't have a component for create battle yet. I'll do that just here. Export const create battle list. No, wait, actually I call it battle create because it's battle list, battle item, battle create. Props return div. Oh, it's weird, didn't break on the line. Div, cool. Create battle. Let's just chuck some basic class on this. We'll say flex center, full height, full width. Is that going to break everything? Actually, we won't specify the height. We'll do width. Keep it the same as the other component, which is to explicitly set the height. I need to change this. This needs to be changed, but I don't have the I don't have the will to live to change it right now. So we're going to just chuck it in there, 90%. And BG1, I believe we will give it. Alright, so back here. Navigation. There's battle dome nav dot create and battle create. Did that have any? I can't remember if I gave that any props. Nah. Sick. And we're gonna pass in set navigation to the actions. Const set navigation equals props. Create battle, and on click, we are going to set navigation to battle dome nav dot create. Let's give that a little whirl, shall we? Battle. These are my existing battles. Let's create a battle. Bang, create battle. In create battle, should this bar go away? I almost reckon it should. Create battle. Or maybe it should be... different actions. Oh, I hate doing it the way that I'm doing this. This is so bad. Because I was going to say we could have inside that action in this create battle. This is the action component. We could have a switch in there which just detects whether it's on create battle or list battles, and then if it's on create battle, we can make it say go back. Yeah, let's do that. Just so much easier. Action. So we're going to actually pass in navigation as well. This is definitely not the best way to do this. How big is this? Slight little refactor needed. Navigation equals battle dome nav dot list. Why won't it autocomplete? What am I, a human with hands? So if it's in the list, we want it to say create battle. Oh, what about new battle? Nah, let's just go create battle. Fuck it. We've already got the terminology. for create. And if not, we want it to say go back or fuck, go back. These buttons don't really need to be full width. They do need on click, which I shall give them. List. This is this is fucking shocking. We don't want on click for that. We want flex center, center, full width. Yeah. What does that look like? Does this work? Battle. Create battle, go back. Create battle, go back. Create battle, go back. Create battle, go back. Just when things work the first time. I wish I had a clip of that audio of me saying just when things work the first time, because when I look back on this in 2 weeks and I have to rewrite the entire thing, I'm going to be laughing at myself. Quick little, should we do a quick little scroll the old Twitter? See what's trending. I actually never use desktop, so I don't even know how to check. Like whether explore maybe. Trending. Morning was. That's season finale. I actually fucking love Morning Was, and I didn't realize we're up to the season finale. That's a bit sad. It only sort of just started getting good. And also, I hate Jennifer Aniston in it, so hopefully she dies. What else is happening? Not a whole lot, really. Everyone in my state is complaining about Dan Andrews, which is pretty funny. How's it trending like 5 times? Victorians, Andrews. The Andrews government pandemic laws are in tatters, with former Minister Adam declaring he will vote against the bill in its current form. Holy shit. Can we just hurry up and have a civil war? Also, I wanted to suss out what the fuck this is. This was cool. Marketing, multi-business owner, course trader, marketing director, real flocky Inu. This is the guy that made Flocky. I sold all my Flocky. RIP. My risk appetite was not ready for it. Need to be careful with my time off over the next 6 months, so I just invested in Ethereum and Bitcoin and BNB and Sheeb. I think that's it. Oh, and Smooth Life Potion. Alright, that's enough procrastinating. Back to it. Create battle. I mean, I don't like that it's a full width button. Is it? Or is that the container? Oh, that's just the container. Nice. Create battle. What do we need for the battle to be created? Battle create. We need Holy shit. Okay, I just realized to do this, we need to list the fucking NFTs again. You kidding? That's such a pain in the ass. Also, someone could definitely, if they wanted to, change the value of some of these things getting sent to the back end on the front end. That's alright though. Alright, let's sit back down because I'm going a little bit crazy standing up. That doesn't sound very good. New table, already breaking. Looking at the Solidity contract. Which is here somewhere, if I'm not completely blind. What am I doing? Battle create, battle list. All right, what do we need to do to create a new battle? Token ID and price movement? Oh, that's it. Just token ID and price movement. So that means in our battle dome, this will be div, and then also our button. So, am I importing that? Yep. Do I have anything else in UI? No. What props does button have again? Fuck. Height, width, text on click. Height equals 100 px. Wait, you know what? Am I using this anywhere? Can we just copy it? Yes, we can. I'm not fucking... Shh. Go back. Go back. Create. That'll do for me. Mint is not defined. Oh yeah, obviously. Console.log. Let's just do that. Hi. Battle. Create battle. We want an input for the price movement. Input. We also want select card component. Export const select card. Card collection. Card select, battle create. Yeah, let's do card select. Card selector. Props. return. Could probably make this kind of reusable across the app to an extent. Card selector. Card one. Oh no, actually. Far out. There's just so much to this. Fuck. We need a scrolly boy. We're in the battle dome, so let's make another hook up top that's const set selected token ID. Set selected token ID. Use state null. And we want to pass that into battle create. Battle create. We want to pass in set selected token ID. And also selected token ID. Wouldn't recommend doing it this way. It's a lot of passing. That was battle. What do you pass that to? Battle create. Battle create. Pull that up. Const. Set selected token ID. Selected token ID. And we're going to pass the same shit in that we did up here. What a tune. Is a label self-closing tag? If you could see how terrible this looks right now, we actually can't. I won't show you until I jig it around a bit. So we've got a card selector. This is in battle create, and battle create has a HUD of 90%. Card selector is going to be a flex box. Oh, let's make a set. Wait, card selector const price movement. Card selector, price selector. Stick with the theme. 8. Return. Did your brain ever just go like numb after fucking talking smack for so long? Mine does. Mine does. Did I even spell that correctly? Price selector. Yep. So chuck that in there. Price selector. And let's go up and make the hooks for it. Const price set price. Let's just keep it simple. Oh, sorry, this is null. Pass it into battle create. Price. Battle create. Nice. I need to get that out of props as well. Set price and price. Nice. Fuck me, there's a lot going on. There's a lot going on. Hey, Six Flags Magic Mountain, are you in the chat? By any chance? Or Ladybug? Or Lanaray? Or... I can't even say that. Caxifs? 06? Erabs? Canned Yeast? Another TV viewer? Anybody? Oh, my shoulder is sore. Whoa. Pretty strong wind outside, just blowing over things. Alright. We need to get our card selector probably working first, I would say. I almost want card selector to be its own component. How do you know? Interesting. How do you know that a card isn't already in a battle? Need to add that to the thing so you can't battle your card twice, because that doesn't make sense. I'm going to just add a note there. Need a way to check if your card isn't already in a battle. But that's future me's problem. Instead, we're going to copy and paste. Oh, it's so bad. All right, we'll do it in the top level component. At least that way we can reuse it at a component level. Battle Dome should have am I doing hooks or props first? Props first. Props. No, fuck. Const. Drizzle and drizzle state equals props. And we want to do another Snapchat. Oh, put that over there. We want to do no. Oh wait, no. Let's look at collection. What else are we going to be doing? Guess I don't want to use data key and set data key again. Let's do card key, token key, set token key. Got to import use effect. Gonna make an a use effect so that this renders. We want this to re-render drizzle state, and now that'll do. Const key drizzle dot contracts dot official crypto trading cards dot get all token IDs by address cache call drizzle state dot accounts and then the first account. And then we'll set that as the set token key. And then we want out of the state all token IDs. And we're going to pass that into all token IDs equals all token IDs. What we want. So that's going to go into battle create. In battle create, we want to pull out all token IDs. And we want to pass that into the card selector. All token IDs equals all token IDs. And then in the card selector, const all token IDs. If I could spell correctly, that would be good. Oh, I can use card again. I think. Which would be real handy. Hold me. Class name. Let's do full height, full width. All token IDs and all token IDs dot length is greater than 0. Ternary boy. Null if there's no length. Otherwise, we want to do all token IDs dot map token. And we want to return a card with key equal to token dot token ID and token equaling token. It's kind of funny. We want this to be flex start center wrap. No, not wrap. Not even no wrap. Scroll parent even. We're going to take a full YOLO and just hope this works. I need to import card as well. So much cleanup is needed in this component. It's actually fucked. Card collection, card collection. Data key is not defined. Token key. No. Oh. Cannot read properties of undefined. Reading cache call. Go on. Tell me what's wrong. Drizzle state. Contract. Official crypto trading cards. Get all token IDs by address. Token key. is it maybe that I haven't deployed? Didn't do the dot methods. I mean, if you ask me, that looks like a list of cards, if you ask me. I'm going to mint 5 more, if it'll let me, just so I can see if that will expand. Transaction error, exception thrown in contract code. Fuck off. Motherfucker. Alright, let's reset. Reject. Settings, advanced, reset account, reset. Invalid state. Retrieving invalid, reverting to invalid state. Might restart React actually on that note. Reverting to invalid state. I don't think I've seen that before. Let's comment out some things and see if we still get the same issue. Yeah, we're still getting it. All right, let's recompile the contract. It doesn't look good. Wind outside is going crazy. Didn't compile properly as usual. Oh, I need some energy and some, yeah. If there's anyone in the chat who can donate energy, please donate some energy. I'm dying right now. It's taking so much brain power. Just restarting the React app. I wonder if it's got anything to do with using Drizzle state in multiple components, not through the consumer API, not through the context API. Did it get the new contract? Return values aren't valid. That's so weird. Oh, who's this? Oh, it's Dave. He's back. Slacking as the usual. Oh, I just compiled the contracts. I didn't even migrate them. Migrate, reset. Like an idiot. What's going on, Davey boy? How's the fuck, I can't even remember the word.
The training.
My brain's mush. Nah, the safety, no, the fail.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Can't remember.
Yeah, it's going good.
Hell yeah.
Kind of got a little bit hectic. They were doing like, I mean, it wasn't that hectic to be fair compared to like uni maths or anything like that. But
yeah.
just doing like exponentials and stuff like that.
Ew. Why? It's so random.
Because it's like, it's for reliability analysis. Like, as time goes on, it becomes less and less reliable.
Man, it's actually pretty crazy that you're doing like actually like that out of all the training modules or like that any of us have ever done. That sounds like the most like thorough training ever.
It's definitely been the most like close to uni.
Yeah, that's what
close
it
to what I
sounds
learned
like.
kind of training. Yeah, so that's good. No, I got it.
Super weird.
Oh, that's pretty funny. Like, I've been nailing most of the answers, and then one time he asked, he's like, "What is it?" And I was just like, "Is it a rate?" And he was just like, "No, it's less than one." I was like, "Oh yeah, that."
The limit does not exist. It's funny as. What are you? Are you finished? You're not finished.
10-minute break.
Yeah.
Well,
Nice.
5 minutes now. Man, they go so quick.
Yeah.
The benefit is that like instead of taking like a 1 hour lunch break and then extending this out to what would be 6 p.m., it's just like 10-minute breaks kind of every now and then, which means we finish up earlier, which is
Nice.
good for me.
Yeah. What are you gonna do when you finish?
Oh,
Bit of Overwatch.
yeah, you know, the usual.
I reckon I'd be keen to play some Overwatch whenever you finish.
Yeah.
Let me know because I'm keen to have a little bit of. My brain is mush. I've done so much work today, but I haven't gotten to the bit that I want to do yet. It's funny as.
It's all right. You don't need to think for Overwatch. You just need to act on instinct
Oh my god.
and sensibility.
Oh my god. I'm like not even there yet.
No, I'm just kidding.
Act on instinct. I always forget how much like extra work there is when I do these things. Like I always understand what I'm doing, but then I forget that it actually takes so much more time to build just like even a basic web app, like just the foundations of it before you can even move on to the tricky bit.
Do you not have a template or something that you can deploy?
Nah, it's all pretty bespoke. I mean, like I'm doing it quickly, but like it's still not particularly that quick.
Yeah. This looks pretty cool.
Are you looking at the
Total deployments to final cost. Oh, is that your gas?
Yeah, just redeployed the contract with the new battle functionality.
That's expensive as hell. What the heck?
Yeah, that's not actually like that's just the local like fake network.
Oh, okay. I was going to say, if that was actually true, that's fucking heaps of money.
But if you you only deploy the smart contract once, so that like will be a one-time cost, and you can bring that cost way down if you're not a potato and haven't been trying to like optimize your smart contract, which I haven't done at all.
Wait, what? The gas price is 2 Gwei. What's Gwei?
This is so it's so dumb. There's like Ether, which is like Ethereum and shit, and then the sub currency of that is like if you times Ethereum by 10 to the negative 18, that's one way, like WEI, and that's like the currency of transactions.
Oh, you mean Planck's constant?
Yeah. Holy fuck.
That is a tiny number.
Yeah, and it's just I still don't even really understand how much that actually is, but
that's really funny. That's a really small number. Yeah. Well, I guess I don't know.
It's fucking
money. One ether could be quite a bit.
Yeah, what'd that be? Like
money, I mean,
$4,000 or something.
So what does 1 Gwei equate to in like dollars?
I couldn't even tell you, honestly. Not
the negative 18, did you say?
Yeah.
Oh, that's tiny as.
I think it was negative 18. I don't know. All I know, it's kind of like the cents to the dollar, if you think about it like that.
It would be way smaller than what you've just described.
Yeah. So I mean,
the negative 18. That's like.
It could be to the power of 18, as in like. You know what? I'm gonna fucking.
If it was to the power of 18, that would also be a crazy big number.
Wait. What is Wei? Wei is the smallest denomination of ether. Oh fuck! There's so many ads. 1 ether is 1.
Oh shit! Yeah, to the 18.
Yeah. Okay. There you go.
Nice. Oh, fun fact of the day. The old Wei is constant.
1 Wei is 1 quintillionth of an ether. Yeah, let's just refer to it as Planck's constant. Fuck it.
Yeah.
1 Planck. I have no idea how it works.
All right, I've got 12 seconds left on the timer.
Best of luck.
These breaks go so quickly, I tell you. Are you gonna be on much longer today?
Yeah, just to the end of the day, like 5 o'clock something.
Yeah, nice. I might catch you after the next break.
All right, sounds good, mate.
See ya.
See ya. If you're in the chat and you want to get involved in Discord, links on the screen, please get involved. Argument that is not an array. Instead, object when specified, the final argument must be an array. Alright, let's go back to battle. We want to change the look of this. We want this to be a scrolling side list. So... maybe we don't want the width. Does that change it? Oh, let's do a minimum width for cards. Battle item. I'm kind of hesitant. How do we do this in the card collection? Card. Yeah, card's got. Let's give card small a minimum width and see what happens if I break it. Min width. Let's do 30%. Interesting. Maybe we don't want 20%. I mean, maybe we only want 20%. Let's also give the price selector class name equals fill height, fill width, price movement, and then we'll also give the button. Let's give the button a div. Let's wrap it in a div, and also fill height, fill width. Class name, fill height, fill width. That's better. That's much better. Create battle. Why is that scrolling? Let's make the minimum width 20. That's way nicer. And we should probably also give that container the hide scroll thing. Card selector, hide scroll. But you can't scroll. You need that to fucking scroll. Damn it. How do you hide scroll on the... Does anyone know how to hide scroll on the y-axis only? Overflow Y. Oh, we should do scroll parent. Let's do styles, behavior. Scroll parent row. Overflow X scroll. And then we'll go back to... Did I say row? Battle, create battle. Yeah, that's much better. Much better. Arguably the ugliest scroll bar. But it is kind of like... I mean, this is what it looks like. It is kind of mobile optimized in the sense that all the elements are sort of like stacked. So I mean, it'll still work on a mobile. So that's just how we're going to roll for the time being. Price selector is triggering me because it looks so bad. So space around center. That's better. Price movement. And also the fucking button is killing me as well. Flex center, space. Oh, actually we can just do center because there's only one element. There we go. It's a bit better. That's so ugly. Oh my god, we're so close to being able to create a battle. Alright, let's do select a card. Let's save our progress. How about that? Yeah, let's save our progress because that would be a fucking nightmare. Couple changes. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Git add. Git commit. Add battle dome. Woo! Git push. Origin. This branch is turning out to be like the entire app. Am I not in a branch? Git branch. Git push, origin, feature. Why is my tab not working? Should we check to make sure that... Nah, that's working. My throat is a bit sore, and I wonder if it's from speaking / talking shit. Oh, the weather's going crazy. I have a question. If you are in the chat, please help me make a decision on this. I had a fuck ton of caffeine in the morning at around 7:30. I had the equivalent of 2 espressos. I'm really considering going down to the milk bar to get an energy drink, like a can of Red Bull. Should I or should I not do that? Crickets. I wouldn't sleep. It's 3:30. I wouldn't sleep. But it just looked nice outside. Even though it's windy as fuck. Alright, so we're doing the select. Alright, well, okay, so we're going to change the card component to highlight, and also we need to give it an on click. So let's do this. On click. E. So card gets the on-click prop. Probably do this. Couldn't I find on-click? Did you mean on-click? On-click. Why can't I on-click? Thank you. Ooh. Gotta make sure we pass in an on-click there. On-click equals just an empty function. I haven't defined it here either on click. I should make it optional. Because it's kind of throwing bulk errors if I don't trust future self. On click. Yep. Fuck it. Just gonna trust myself to do it. Cool. Need some styles here, so we're gonna need to open a theme. Nice. Let's do card start and card end. Interact, card interact, hover, radius. What about sorry, what is it? Border color, purple. How do I card collection? Card interact. Theme. Does anyone else remember how to do borders? Because I don't. Oh yeah, that's doing it. Here's what it's doing. What the fuck? That's not right. Card. The image is fucking bigger than the card? Alright, we got some fucking fixing to do here. If I could change the minimum width to 10. I don't like that it's making it jiggle. Is margin style a thing? Surely not. No, it's not. I kind of miss the height. How do I couple them so that they don't, so that the card is always bigger than the actual image? What's the object fit on it? URL, class name, card image, object fit, contain. Box established by its height and width. Cover, fill. This seems like a question for Google. Replaced content is scaled to maintain its accuracy while fitting within the element's content box. Okay, well, why the fuck did that not work before then? Card collection. Card S. What about 100% height? I can see how that is not good. And now there is overflow issues. And is it because it's got a margin, I wonder? When you add the... Let's just change the background, actually. The background would be much easier to... Background color... Skate blue. Yeah, it's way nicer. So go back to layout. Let's do card small, card fill. Card battle. Oh, I need to fucking change this. So ideally, 100% height is what we want. Height. Okay, so back to the theme. And we want to know if it needs a margin or not. Oh, maybe we don't even need a margin. All right, let's fuck the margin off. Okay. This is what we have. All right, now we need to on click. Card interaction click. Mouse down. CSS events mouse click. Pointer events. No. Oh, Mario Devs. What's going on, man? Yeah, React's it's pretty good. I used to use Angular a lot at work. But React's just so quick and easy with hooks. But Angular's good in like big teams. Like I remember we used ages ago for my first job, we used React, and as soon as our team grew a little bit, it was really hard to enforce all the styles and patterns and whatnot because it's so unopinionated. All right, I'm going to give up on worrying about the mouse click because that's just pointless. So let's just set this as the token ID when we click it. Oh, do you have your exam yet, bro? / did you fail? Card selector on click. We want the on click to do set selected token ID to token.token ID. Holy shit. That's epic. You must be a weapon. I'm fucking lucky if I get a 50. Set selected token ID. Is that not a prop? Card selector. All token IDs. Oh, I didn't pass it into the card selector. Dickhead. Set selected token ID. And let's just quickly display that in card selector, price selector. What about selected card info or some shit? Maybe I'll chuck it in price selector. Just because. Selected token ID. Selected token ID. Where are we? Where's price selector at? Props. Selected token props. And let's just chuck that in a div and say token ID. Token ID. Token ID is not defined because it's not even called token ID. Look, fuck is wrong with me? Battle, create battle. Token ID is nothing. 3, 4, 5. Nice. That's what we want. That is what we want. Price movement. Oh, fuck, I just wish I could be bothered styling this input box. Just so it at least wasn't terrible. Height 100 pixels. No, wait, sorry. 60. Probably should make it the same as the button, maybe. Maybe I'll make my own input. Oh, it's a little bit overkill. Let's go to layout. Oh, actually, I don't even need to style it. That's just totally not what I'm trying to do at the moment. Still trying to prove out MVP shit. Come on. Get in the zone, Aiden. Come on. Token ID. Price movement. Okay, I'm going to need to at least change the style so it's text is black. Card selector. Price movement. Input type equals number. And style color, we will have, can you just say black? Battle, create battle. It's only got a... Oh yeah, that's kind of cool. That saves... What's that like on mobile? Oh, you just have to enter it in on mobile? Yeah, fair call. I'm going to quickly just add in height because it's triggering me too much. 60 pixels. Width. Good question. How big should it be? 200 pixels maybe? Man, the patterns in this app are just all over the place currently. Not following. Oh, and let's do text size. Is that a prop? Font size, maybe? Font size equals... Can you just chuck in L for large? You used to be able to do that, I swear. Alright, 20 pixels. Alright, let's go bigger than that. 30. Nice. Can you center it? Text align center. Text align center. Hey, now we're fucking talking. It's still trash, but it actually works. I don't even hate it. I don't even hate it. Okay. And whenever that changes, we want to call the set selected set price. Have we passed it in for props? That's the question. Battle set price. Battle create set price. Price selector set price. So we'll do set price and also price because we need to make the value value equals price. And on change, we want to call back with e.target.value, I think is what it is, set price e.target.value, potential. I think that works. Let's start that as 0. Let's just give it a starting value as 0 so that it's kind of obvious what you meant to do. Restart the battle dome. Create battle. There we go, 0. Sick. We're ready to call our contract and create a battle. Fuck, that took a long time. That took a long time. Oh, I should probably leave the selected card highlighted as well. Let's do that real quick. Card selector also needs selected token ID. And we're going to pass that in. Selected token ID. Actually, wait, hold on. Let's make a prop called selected. And it's actually just a boolean. And we'll say selected token ID equals token dot equals token dot token ID. So we'll go back to just realized I'm not showing my screen. Make a prop for this card called selected, and the style need to do no, that's not it. Can I do string interpolation? How do I do this? I'm trying to remember. Anyone else remember how to do string interpolation in React? Lol. Let's have a quick little goog. That didn't work before. I'm stupid as. I didn't have it in the curly braces. And selected. If it is, we want to append card selected. And that is going to be in the theme. Card selected. Background color. Just go with spring green. Why not? Any errors in the old console-y boy? Nah, battle. baby. That's what I like to see. So now we're up to actually running the contract. It only took us 7 hours. Fuck me, Quinton. I actually can't even remember where I'm at. What am I trying to do currently? Battle Dome. Oh, pardon me. Okay. We're going to price selector, and then where's the button for battle create? This on click for battle create is going to... This battle create's going to need Drizzle state and Drizzle... Oh, I could just make it out at the top. Nah, I'll pass it in. Fuck it. Drizzle and Drizzle state. Oh, fuck. Idiot. It's getting to that time of day where my brain's stopped working. Stopping work. Wow, can't even talk. Drizzle state. Const create battle async. Wait, sorry. Equals async. Actually, is it async? What do we do in the proof of concept? Still trying to wrap my head around the flow of events with blockchains. So this would have been in client source app send cache send text. Right, okay. Well, it wasn't async. Okay, so in that case, create battle async. It's going to need selected token ID. Thinking of the contract now. Where's the contract? Create battle token ID and price movement. Okay. Selected token ID and price. And it is going to drizzle.contracts.official crypto trading cards.methods.create battle. Probably should look at how to do a cash send real quick as well in Drizzle. Cash send. Sends a contract transaction. Calling the cash send function on a contract will send the desired transaction and return a corresponding transaction hash, so the status can be retrieved from the store. Don't need the status of that though. We can just wait. This is a cool song. I need to add it to my drum and bass playlist. It's already in my drum and bass playlist. Oh wait, no it's not. This is the playlist radio. Create battle. Methods. Create battle. Dot cash send. Selected token ID and price. Just wondering what else we did in the. Okay, and then we'll set price back to 0 and set selected token ID back to null. You just know that there's a lot wrong with this code. And we'll call that create battle with selected token ID and price. Card number 3, price movement positive 3, create. What's popping up? MetaMask. Confirm. It did work. Oh, we're also going to set navigation back to battledome nav dot list. Ah, fuck, I didn't even pass set navigation into the battle.create. Set navigation equals set navigation. Do I have that in props in Battledome? Navigation. Yeah, that should be fine. Set navigation is not defined. Well, it is. I've got to pull it out of this state. Dickhead. I mean the props. Set navigation. Okay, let's do that again. Battle. Create battle. Card number 4. Price movement -3. Create. Ooh, it should wait. I'm thinking maybe it should await. Await. Because that just went straight back to the nav and that was a bit jarring. Is that even how it works? React. How to wait for MetaMask. Drizzle. Wait for MetaMask. Maybe whilst the transaction is pending. New approach. Let's do actually, that doesn't even really matter. We just want a way to create these battles. It would be nice though. Yeah, because it would be waiting just for the transaction status to be success. So let's do that. That would be in store. So we'll split that to the right, close that down. Check out the battle dome. Battle create. Const. Stack ID set stack ID equals use state null. Const new stack ID equals that. Set stack ID is new stack ID. I'm gonna change that so that we're not clearing the state straight away. We'll do const tx transaction equals drizzle state dot transaction stack ID. Wondering if does that just error when you do that? Battle, create battle. If status, let's console log the status because I don't know what the fuck I'm working with here. Log TX. Wow. Battle, create battle, card 3, price movement down, create. So TX is temp. Confirm. TX. Drizzle state transactions oh hang on, that's not what we want. We want if TX, then we want to do drizzle state dot transactions TX dot status console dot log and status. Whew. Success. Okay, so if transaction dot status equals success, set price to 0, set selected token ID to null, and then set navigation to battle dome nav dot list. This would be so lit if this works. Battle. Create battle. Card 3. Down 3%. Massive error. Fuck. Reading status. Well, it said if TX... Oh, hang on. Doesn't equal null. Let's try that again. Battle, create battle. But it's if status. I'm doing all the checks. Just be nice to me. Oh, this is looking good. Confirm. Confirm. Bang. To locate, set state, call inside battle crate, follow the stack trace. Wait, what? Let's do that again. Battle. Create battle. Confirm. Cannot update a component while rendering a different component. Battle create. Follow the stack traces. Alright, let's have a look at that. React cannot update component whilst rendering a different component. This warning is introduced since React If you're using functional components, you could wrap the set state call into use effect. Code that does not work. Wrap the set state call into use effect. Wait, what? Just coming here because I tried to this issue. Took me a bit of digging around before I realized what I'd done wrong. I'm paying attention to how this is functional. I was writing my functional component. So we have battle create. Live match props. If no date matches, for dispatching my Redux call. I don't know if that's what I want. Battle create. I don't mind. I just don't mind. I'm going to go to battle list. And battle list is going to load all of the battle items. I should really raise this state up. But whilst I'm being a piece of shit, I'm not going to. Battle list, chuck in Drizzle. Oh, I do this every time. Drizzle state. Oh, wait, no. Absolutely. We're absolutely not doing that. That's just not the right way to do that. I need to stop soon because I'm making silly mistakes. We also want to get all battles. Selected token ID. Use effect. battle keys, battle key equals drizzle dot contracts dot official crypto create trading cards dot methods dot get all battles. Is that even the name of the method? Get all battles. And it takes nothing, it just returns all the battles. Const battle key set battle key. Man, these names really fucky. Battles. And then in the battle list, we want to do a const all battles equals props all battles and all battles dot length is greater than 0. Ternary boy, we're gonna do all battles dot map battle why am I having a brain blank? No, that's absolutely not right. Return battle battle ID. Does battle ID exist on battles? Anyone? Total battles. Battle ID. It does. Battle item. Oh, it's ternary operator. Need a return null. There's 7 battles? Damn. Index. Battle. Battle. We'll do JSON.stringify battle. So we can see what's being passed in. Holy shit. Out of control. Actually out of control. I think that's going to be me for the day. Fuck, sorry, I just realized I wasn't even showing what the fuck I was doing, but this is the list of battles. Unreal. So whenever I create a new battle, card number 5, price movement, let's do -10. Create. Interesting that it came through as -9. Is that because of the way that it's rendering? I wonder. Battle create. Because you click create battle. Let's console log the shit. Console.log token ID. Selected token ID, then also price. Something tells me that that is not working correctly. So we got token 5 and price equals 1. Create. Token 5, price equals 1. Let's create another battle. Let's do token 10. Price movement -10. Set token ID. Price -10. Okay, it's cool. It's working. I just panicked. Mustn't have picked up before. Sick. That's good as. Dave? Perhaps? Nah, Timmy J. What's going on, Mimey boy? Just in time. I've finished up for the day and I am going to... Whoa, what are you doing? What is that? Oh, that's the worst thing ever. You can see... Oh, rankers, get out. That's so chat. So chat. Oh, Marty Bo devs, if you're still there, I forgot what I was going to ask. Fuck. Slipped my mind. Oh, are you finished? Or are you finished now? Do you have another exam? All right, I'm going to jump off. I'll be back tomorrow. Made heaps of progress. Fucking oath, boys. Nice.